So if you read the title, you're probably wondering what this video is about, okay? And I want to be extremely transparent with you guys. My heart is really heavy, okay? And I've really been contemplating for at least the past week or so whether or not I should make any type of coronavirus content. Should I even mention it on my channel or on my Instagram? And I've really been wrestling with myself on this point. And this video, by the way, is not scripted. Normally I like to somewhat script my videos, have some type of point or some type of guide to my videos, because to be honest with you, I'm really terrible at like talking on camera. But I really want this video to come straight from the heart. So I just want to say that, like, this is not scripted in any way or fashion. But yeah, like I've really been, kind of tussling with myself on whether or not I wanted to make any virus content. And I think right now, especially with the hysteria and the just sheer panic and fear that is going on in this country, I feel like, influencers, small, big, news outlets, if you have any type of platform, I feel like it's your responsibility to share positive, light during these really scary times, just to be transparent. And I feel like I would be remiss if that's even, I like to use college words. So hopefully I used it right. I feel like I would be doing, my subscribers or my friends and family that watch me, a disservice if I didn't speak on this topic. So I know that you're reading the title and you're like, okay, Tonio, like, what is this video about? But I truly believe that right now and in the next coming, days or weeks, we're going to be in an extremely rare time, and you're going to have a big opportunity in your life. Okay. You're going to have the opportunity of time. Okay. Because what is the most thing that people say that they don't have? It's time. And I want to make sure that people are very cognizant of the time that you're about to have, because some people already, are going to be quarantined for 2 weeks. You may not be able to leave your house for a month, 2 months, right? So what are you going to do with all this time? Okay. And so I want you to take advantage of it, because you may never have this opportunity again in your lifetime. So for the people that want to start a business, do it. Get your business plan together. You have the time. To the people that want to start a YouTube channel, do it. You have the time. Okay, so there are plenty of creators that you can watch on YouTube. You can watch me, and if you don't like my content, you can check out like the Content Bug or Aaron on Demand, Sunny, Leonard Ducey, sorry if I didn't say your name right, like Sean Kennel. Like, there's so many great people that you can watch on YouTube that can help you get your YouTube channel popping. People in the area of getting your business started, Grant Cardone, Gary Vee. Like, there's so many people that can help you on YouTube or, on the internet, help you get started. So take advantage of this time. For people that, wanted to get in shape, right? You have the time, okay? Because now, you may not be able to go out to eat. You can cook your food, right? A lot of people say they can't meal prep. Well, now you ain't got no other choice, okay? So you can pick your summer body off the shelf and get it ready, okay? So take advantage of this time to perfect, your craft, learn a skill, okay? Use your time effectively, to make yourself a better person. And then to move forward with that, spend time with your family, man. A lot of people feel like a lot of people only get 2 weeks of vacation. Okay, now you have plenty of time to spend with your family and your loved ones. you may not ever get this again, you know? So I know for me personally, I'm going to take this time to really, spend time with my family, because I feel like over the past, month or so, or 3 months or 4 months, I've really been trying to grind, YouTube and my social media and get my business off the ground. But now, I have the time to really sit down and talk to my family and, spend time with them and spend time with my loved ones. Like, do that, man. You have the time. I'm going to continuously reiterate that, because time is something that you can never get back. Okay, so make sure that you use this time wisely. Okay, and lastly, we have a great opportunity to show love and compassion, okay, and empathy. Don't spread hysteria. Do not spread fear. That doesn't do anything, okay? And for everyone that's hoarding supplies out of fear and out of anxiety, I understand, but have some compassion for your fellow human, okay? If you see somebody lacking in your neighborhood, help them out. Like, we have a great opportunity to share love, and positivity. Be above the noise, be above the fear mongering, because that's all, the negative people, that's all they want. That's all they want to see. So don't feed into that. Be positive. I'm creating this video just to have some type of silver lining and to give you a different way of thinking, because I know a lot of people keep spreading this negativity, and I just want to spread some type of positivity, so regardless if 10 people watch this or 1 million people watch this, I want to be some type of change agent, during this time. And I want you to watch this video and feel inspired, and you can do it in your own way, but help somebody else. Help somebody, during this season, man, because we have a great opportunity to share love and compassion. So that is it. I'm getting off my soapbox. Wherever you're watching this video, whether it be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, share this with somebody that needs to hear this message. I just sincerely want to share positivity during this time. I love you guys. Be safe. Take necessary precautions, but don't go overboard, please, okay? Because other people need supplies too, okay? Because y'all done took all the toilet tissue and the Clorox wipes, and you know what I'm saying? Because y'all going crazy, all right? So just relax, just a tad. Take necessary precautions, of course, but look out for your fellow man. Show some love, show some compassion. I love you guys. Be easy.